In this video, I am going to guide you about booking real-time parking on SpotHero. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the SpotHero app or visit the SpotHero website. 2. Use the search bar to enter your destination or current location. 3. Select the date and time for immediate parking needs. 4. Look for parking spots labeled as available now or real time. 5. Tap on a real-time parking option to view details and pricing. 6. Confirm the location and tap book or reserve. 7. Log into your SpotHero account or create a new one if necessary. 8. Enter your payment information and finalize the booking. 9. Check the confirmation details and follow the instructions to access your parking spot. You are all set to park without delays. Enjoy the convenience of real-time parking with SpotHero.